This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play guitar without an amplifier. To begin, focus on clear articulation and precise finger placement. Playing unplugged, or no air, is a fantastic way to practice and enjoy your instrument quietly. We'll cover how to get the most out of both electric and acoustic guitars when they aren't amplified. This approach helps you focus on fundamental techniques and develop a strong, clear tone without relying on external volume. When playing an electric guitar unplugged, you'll notice a much quieter sound. The key is to concentrate on your technique. Ensure your fretting hand presses down firmly and your picking hand strikes the strings with purpose. A thicker pick, around 0.88 millimeters or more, can help produce a slightly louder and clearer attack, making your practice more effective and enjoyable. For acoustic guitars, maximizing your natural sound is crucial. Start by ensuring you have fresh strings. They significantly impact tone and volume. When playing, try positioning your picking hand closer to the sound hole for a fuller, richer sound. Experiment with varying your strumming and picking dynamics, from soft touches to more assertive strokes, to explore the instrument's full sonic range. Quiet practice is an excellent opportunity to refine your technique. Focus on slow, deliberate movements when practicing scales and arpeggios. This builds crucial muscle memory. Emphasize developing finger strength and dexterity, as these are fundamental skills that don't require high volume. Incorporate a metronome at a very low setting to ensure your timing remains impeccable, even when playing softly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.